In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix can't type in the search bar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now firstly, you need to navigate at the description box below. You would be able to see a command there that is being pasted. Please copy it. And once you have copied it, proceed to the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, you need to make a right click, go with the spaced icon, and once you have pasted this command, which is c:/windows /system32 /ctfmon.exe, please click on the OK to continue. Okay? Once you have clicked on it, wait until wait for a few seconds, and once done, try to check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the second method. The second method would be you need to navigate at the start icon, make a right click, and then scroll up and click on the task manager. You can also press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up this window, which is the task manager. So if you haven't opened this navigation, please click on this three lines, and in that way you would be able to open it. So from here, please proceed to the processes, expand it first so that you can see all of it clearly, and you need to locate for Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running under the apps, or it might be running under the Windows processes. So all you need to do is you need to scroll down on the list of the option, and you need to locate it. So I can see it here next to system interrupts. Now, the next step that you need to do, which is the very crucial part of this video, is to make a right click and go with this restart. Yes, you need to restart the Windows Explorer because that would restart your search bar as well as your taskbar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So restart it, and in a few seconds, your problem would be fixed. Okay? So try to search here. Try to use your search bar again. Okay? And try to check if it's working. Yes, it's working this time. And if you would navigate also to the start icon, and if you would search here, okay, now you can type anything here in your search bar. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on fixing your problem, which is your search bar is not working or not responding the moment you've typed it here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So thank you and have a good day.